Well, I'm not here to sell a commercial project. मैं ये वीडियो किसी लॉन्च प्रमोशन के लिए नहीं बना रहा हूँ. What I want to do is explain how rental-oriented commercial assets actually work when the structure is right. DLF Central 67 जैसे लॉन्च को लोग अक्सर सिर्फ प्राइस और एप्रिसिएशन के एंगल से जज करते हैं. But serious commercial investors look deeper. They look at income structure, the tenant demand, and long-term control. अगर आप कमर्शियल रियल एस्टेट को सिर्फ बाय एंड वेट के लिए माइंडसेट से देखते हैं, दिस वीडियो मे नॉट बी फॉर यू. बट इफ यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ रेंटल इनकम इज एक्चुअली क्रिएटेड, प्लीज वॉच दिस कामली टिल द एंड. लेट्स स्टार्ट with the basics. SCO simply means shop cum office. इसका मतलब होता है you own a commercial plot and you construct a full commercial building on it. Basement, ground floor and multiple upper floors, all under one ownership. Compare this with the mall. In a mall, you buy a unit, entry, exit, tenant mix, सब किसी और के कंट्रोल में होता है. In an office tower, you usually own a single floor or office with limited flexibility. But in an SCO, you control the asset, the usage, and the leasing strategy. यही difference SCO को एक serious commercial category बनाता है. Now let's talk about DLF Central 67. This is a SCO plotted commercial development in Sector 67, Gurgaon, located on the Gold Course Extension Road, SPR corridor. What matters here is not marketing. What matters is structure. Basement plus ground plus 4 floors are allowed. It sits on a dedicated commercial belt surrounded by strong residential catchment. ये launch future demand के भरोसे नहीं है. Demand already exists in this micro market. And in commercial real estate, existing demand is always more important than future hope. At this point, I will show you a short clip of the actual development work happening on the site. ये सिर्फ brochure visuals नहीं है. Actual execution is visible. For a commercial investor, this matters a lot because execution reduces risk and lower risk improves leasing confidence. Now, one very important point. Just opposite this launch, there is a successfully running mall. That mall is operational. The tenants are working. Footfall exists. Across the same location, SCO plots have also been launched at prices significantly higher than DLF Central 67. Well, I'm not saying this to compare or to sell. I'm saying this to highlight market validation. When a mall runs successfully and SCO plots sell at higher prices nearby, it shows that commercial activity here is already proven. Now let's talk about rental income. Well, I will not give you any return guarantees. I will suggest a simple self-check. First, you must calculate the total square footage you can build on a single SCO plot, including basement, ground, and upper floors, it means total 5 floors plus basement you are getting. Then take a conservative average rental of around, say, 150 rupees per square foot, which is already, people are charging in these similar commercial markets. Now multiply the two numbers. Just see where the monthly rental figure reaches. I'm not calling this guaranteed. I'm not calling this fixed. But if you verify this yourself, you will realize that from a rental income perspective, this category is among the strongest in the market. And by the way, please don't take my word for it. Check it yourself. The strength of an SCO is not hype. The strength is design-led income. Ground floor attracts visibility-driven tenants. Upper floor attract stability-driven tenants. Multiple leases reduce dependency on a single occupier. That is why SCOs behave more like rental machine than single unit commercial assets. This kind of project is not for short-term flippers. It is not for people expecting guaranteed rent. It is not for investors without leasing patience. Commercial real estate rewards planning, not urgency. This asset is suited for investors who understand long term rental portfolios. Well, it works for the professionals who want self use along with leasing. It also suits NRIs who want Indian commercial exposure with control, not mall related risk. ये उन लोगों के लिए है जो एसेट को ऑपरेट और ऑप्टिमाइज करना समझते हैं, सिर्फ होल्ड नहीं. Commercial real estate is not glamorous, it is not fast, it is not noisy. So SCO plots like DLF Central 67 offer control, flexibility, and the ability to design income over time. देखिए, अगर आप कमर्शियल रियल इस्टेट को सिर्फ एक प्रॉपर्टी नहीं, एक लॉन्ग टर्म इनकम एसेट के लेंस से देखते हैं, then such new launches deserve serious evaluation. Thanks for listening.